Aha. So, I'm trying to be smart here. I'm in the heart of mosquito hell, camped out by this nice drainage ditch that you can't see because it's dark. But I'm just hiding under the rush top there, and behind the washrooms and the trees. But I got this just a bottle of it's just a natural citronella spray, and I have some like fly spray as well I'm putting on myself. Right now I got my full riding gear on, so it's just my head exposed, so I just got some Deep Woods bug spray that seems to be working okay. But now I took the citronella spray and I'm completely spraying the entire tent with the citronella spray. And I went with the citronella spray instead of the bug spray. Like, I put the bug spray on me, but I want to spray it all over the tent and inside, so I don't want to fume myself out too bad. So before I even go in there and put my stuff in there, I'm just going to spray absolutely everything with this citronella spray, man. And I think that's the ticket. They're kind of dissipating already. Screw you, mosquitoes. Well, isn't that crazy? Here it is. It's pure citronella spray. And isn't that crazy to think just how just a few basic pieces of gear things just can completely change the situation, and how just experience and planning is so crucial. I'm in the same, generally the same area of Ontario here, and the flies are just as bad, and I'm sitting here comfortably because I have bug spray that I spray myself with, and that citronella spray now. And then I have my small tent. It's actually a very small and inexpensive tent. It's actually a youth 2-person tent, so it's very small, but it works great for adventures because it doesn't take up much space. I had that tent for a few years now. I was just finally able to go get it, and so I took that tent, sprayed everything out with citronella spray, and the mosquitoes aren't even going near it. Now, if you remember, when I was at this point in my trip on the way here, although I've traveled many more miles at this point then than now, but I'm on day 2 in northern Ontario in mosquito hell, and I'm sitting here happy and comfortable. If you remember last time, my face was badly sunburned. I was extremely fatigued. And then I just got completely attacked with mosquitoes, and my face swole up, started pussing. Like, it was freaking crazy. But now, I bought that cheap, just $20 dark shield for my helmet, and put on sunscreen, and that alleviated all the face burning issues. And then I got that small tent. Yesterday it rained during the night, and I had a great night's sleep and woke up and was rested. Tonight I set up that tent again, and I got the citronella spray and I got some other bug spray too. And worst case scenario, I have it's like a full shirt jacket thing mosquito net. So if I wake up and the flies are crazy or something whack, I can just put that on and I'll be good to go. So very simple, inexpensive items that I've brought with me, and it's completely changed the game. So that's good, I'm learning. It's really the first sort of adventure myself on a bike of this magnitude I've taken, so I guess you can't expect it to go perfect the first time there, but all I can expect, I guess, is to learn and to improve my situation. So that's good. I don't know how many kilometers I put on today. Not enough, I know that. I was friggin' 200 or 300 kilometers short of my approximate goal yesterday, and today I think probably 200 kilometers short again, just because I got left late there because I was trying to dry out my tent and stuff before I left, and then the wind was freaking fighting me so bad. So whatever, I guess. There's no sense pushing too hard. So yeah, man. I'll get some sleep tonight, I think, hopefully. I don't get hassled at my kind of illegal overnight camping spot. Actually a gigantic sign there that says no overnight camping, but whatever. Kind of hidden. It's late, it's dark, there's no one around. I'll wake up early in the morning and go. I think that should be okay. And that's it, man. So that's day 2. I'm in Northern Ontario. Mosquito hell, but I think I've got them beat. We'll check you tomorrow for some more miles. Oh, good morning. Oh, there's my setup here. Hiding behind some trees, hiding behind a porta potty. So that's my setup for the night. Yeah, man, slept really well. I should have been on the road probably an hour ago, but well, I woke up and it was kind of chilly and there was lots of dew on the tent, so I just kind of hung out until the sun came up and the tent got nice and dried off. And so now I'm just gonna pack up and start heading, or maybe I'll stop for breakfast or something. Should have bought something for breakfast when I gassed up last night, but I wasn't really thinking about that at the time. And it's gonna be a beautiful day, man. I never really checked the map yet where I'm gonna try to get to tonight, but oh man, I really gotta start putting on miles. I'm just kind of dragging my ass a little bit too much here. I want to stay on schedule, so right on. I'll fucking catch up with you later. Ball sack. Up in Long Lock here. I thought I wasn't sure if it was gonna make it or not. On a tank of gas. I actually did make it to the gas station. It looked kind of weird. I didn't know if it was a gas station or not, so I an ATV pulling. I'm like, balls. Just made it past there. I ran out of gas in the bridge up there. See it? Here's I'm gonna pull all this crap out. Down the road. Not very far. Where the gas station, so that's pretty stupid. It is what it is. My dumbass broke one of the most basic and cardinal rules of cross-country touring across Canada, and that is don't speed through Ontario. Man, Northern Ontario, that's the first place I've ever gotten a speeding ticket in my entire life, years ago, coming through with my old F-150. So, woke up this morning, feeling good, things are going great, sun was shining, bike was running like a dream. So, of course, I was, making some time, and I was passing this line of transports, and I pulled back in, and sure enough, I pulled in right behind a cop. I was like, oh balls. So I followed him for about a minute. He pulls over. Tells me I was going a bit too fast, but then I was chatting with him. I was telling him about my trip, and he thought that it was really cool what I was doing. And I I thought for sure he was going to let me off with it. Right, seemed like he was going to. And then he's like, well, I'm going to have to fine you. So he lowered the charges, and it was $132 instead of $300. So he was a cool guy, just doing his job. So now I'm at Esso here, a restaurant Esso thing. I'm gonna stop, get something to eat. I'm not gonna go to the restaurant, but just buy something at the gas station, get some food in my belly for the day, man, and start making some miles. If I could get out of Ontario today, that would be mint. But it's just so hard to make time in Ontario, man. That slow speed limit, you gotta slow down for every town, and there's just cops everywhere. And I knew if you tried to push it through Ontario, you would get caught, guaranteed. But I tried to risk it anyways, and I guess I got caught. So now I just got to slow my ass down for the rest of the trip here until I get out of Ontario. It's crazy. In Quebec, there's lots of big highways where speed limit's 90, but you can haul balls like 140, no problem, and meet cops all day long, and they just don't even care. But it's Ontario, dude. That OPP, killer. Oh well. I'm gonna get some breakfast and start pounding down some miles. Man, it's a beautiful day to be alive. Just putzing through Ontario, putt speed limits. But it's a beautiful day, man. Perfect weather. It's a light breeze. Just chugging along, man. Since I can't ride fast, I might as well just enjoy the view and talk to myself. Just a little ways down the road there, I seen a fella pulled over by the OPP, and I said to myself, what's he doing? Don't you know you're not supposed to speed in Ontario? Everyone knows that, man. Unbelievable. So I'm just, yeah, man, behind Husky Travel Center here, sitting in the shade, having a coffee, just putt-putting my way through Ontario. My golly, it's just, it's a beautiful day to be alive, that's for sure. Here we are in Helen Lake, Ontario, or I don't know, 20 kilometers from Nipigon maybe? Where I'm going to stop and have something to eat at the Husky, I think it is. And then I'm going to go to Thunder Bay, fuel up, and then ride on into the night and just get as many miles as I can. So taking some tranquility here for a minute and relax, because I gotta start making some serious miles here, so I'm gonna push on into the night. Wow, sure is nice. Windy or no fuck down here.